Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Free CA Classes. So thank you for the tremendous support to my channel. Now we are a family of 212 subscribers. I'm back with the video, and this time I'm going to tell you about paper 5 Advanced Accounting CA Intermediate. So the faculty for the paper 5 is Tejas Suchak sir, and he is one of the best faculties available on Unacademy platform. So you can see Tejas Suchak sir. Actually, he has taken quite a few classes on. He's actually an expert in CA Intermediate on Unacademy platform, and many of you must have seen the classes of his on YouTube channel. So he has conducted many advanced accounting classes on special classes. All those classes have been compiled by me on this Google Sheet. So I will provide this link to the sheet in the description below. So you can directly click on the link and then go on the website and watch these videos. These are actually last year videos, so there aren't much difference in kind of the content. And those who are watching for the exams for November 2022 and May 2023, they can definitely watch these classes and clear their concepts for the advanced accounting. And while going on the website, you can use my code plus QR247 to unlock these classes for absolutely free. So once you log into the website, they might ask you for a code, and if they do ask for a code, then use my code plus QR247. And as you can see, these are absolutely free classes: liquidation, accounting, and he has taken quite a few marathons also. And as and when these new classes are conducted, I will upload these classes over here in the links below, and you can directly go and watch him. So that's it for the video, guys, and do like and share this video to others as well. Please hit the bell icon button. Thank you so much.